4, sorry, bago, so,
Marami tayo
5, apo, kunwari marami, 6, start, bago, last, so, squeeze, from the genital, down to the hand. Now, you can associate eclectic method. What is eclectic method? Perineal care plus pouring and or flushing. Gusto mo pouring, perineal care plus pouring, eclectic pa rin yun. Perineal care plus flushing, eclectic pa rin yun. Okay?
So, after the perineal care, pouring and flushing? Or...
Ang tawag po doon eclectic. Tapos lalagay kami siya ng, para mas malinis,
After the anus?
apo, pouring and flushing. Bahala kayo kung
Maraming pouring pa yung
flushing. Pag sabi mo perineal care plus pouring and or flushing, eclectic na din. Babae. Paano naman pag lalaki? Kayo